Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 10 of physics of class 10, that is reflection and refraction of light. So today we are going to discuss the general introduction of this chapter in our first class. As we have studied in earlier classes, in small classes, that we see things due to the presence of light. Means in a dark room or a place where light rays are not available, then we are not able to see the objects. So we can say that things become visible due to light rays. जो भी चीज़ें हम देखते हैं, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स हमें दिखाई देते हैं, वो सिर्फ इन लाइट रेज की वजह से दिखाई देते हैं. इन ए डार्क रूम, we are not able to see any object. Means if there is no light present in a room, or if the room is empty of light rays, then we are not able to see anything. Now the light in the daytime is the major source of light rays. In the daytime is the sun. In daytime, major source of light rays, major source of light is sun. It spreads light everywhere on the earth where the daytime is. So in the daytime we are able to see the things due to the sunlight. The light of sun is known as sunlight. In the evening or in the night time we use artificial source of light rays like bulbs and tube lights. So in the daytime we see the light rays, we see the objects due to the sunlight. Now the sunlight falls everywhere on the earth, but we are able to see a few objects around us, not the all objects. The light rays falls everywhere on the earth, but we are able to see a few objects around us. Why this happens? Why all the objects on the earth are not visible to us at a same time on a same place? The main reason behind this is reflection of light. Reflection of light. whenever a light ray falls on an object, suppose this is the object, the light rays are coming from any direction, then the light rays bends after falling on an object. If these reflected rays falls on the eye of a person, eye of person, then the person is able to see this object. मीन्स जब कभी भी किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के ऊपर लाइट रे इंसिडेंट होती है तो इंसिडेंट लाइट रेज अपनी ऑब्जेक्ट से गिरने के बाद, ऑब्जेक्ट पे गिरने के बाद वो अपनी डायरेक्शन में चेंज कर लेती है, वो मुड़ जाती है, वो दूसरे डायरेक्शन में चली जाती है। अब ये लाइट रे जब किसी पर्सन की आंख के अंदर एंटर होंगी, मीन्स रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज, यहाँ पे जो आई ऑफ पर्सन है इसके अंदर कौन सी रेज आ रही हैं? दीज आर द रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज, मीन्स जो आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन ऑब्जेक्ट से टकराने के बाद जब ये लाइट रे इस ऑब्जेक्ट से टकरा करके पर्सन की आई के अंदर एंटर होंगी तभी हमें यह ऑब्जेक्ट विजिबल होगा। अदरवाइज यदि हमारी आंखों के अंदर ये लाइट रेज नहीं इंसिडेंट हो रही हैं आफ्टर द रिफ्लेक्शन तो आपको यह ऑब्जेक्ट विजिबल नहीं होगा। इसी तरह के फिनोमिनास के बारे में हम इस चैप्टर में पढ़ने वाले हैं। इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट दिस लाइट रिलेटेड फिनोमिनास लाइक image formation, by mirrors, secondly we will discuss about twinkling of stars, we will discuss about colors of rainbow, we will discuss about the refraction of light and so many such points that we will consider in this chapter. So this is the general introduction about our chapter, that what we have to discuss in this chapter. Now the next point, that is the behavior of light rays, that we have to discuss.